Hey everyone, welcome to my Tech Talk channel. Are you tired of doing the same copy-paste work every single day? Have you ever wished you had a robot to do those boring tasks for you? Well, that's exactly what RPA can do. In this video, we'll break down what RPA is in very simple words and why Microsoft Power Automate is a perfect way to start your automation journey, even if you're not a coder. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. Imagine you could train a robot to do all your repetitive computer tasks, like copying data, clicking buttons, sending emails just the way you do it. RPA mimics human actions on a computer. It works with your existing apps like Excel, Outlook, SAP, browsers, even legacy systems. Put in simple terms, system operations human does will be driven through bot-driven logics, allowing tasks to be executed automatically, without manual interventions. Nice? This kind of automation is a core part of technologies like RPA, like Power Platform, which not only speeds up workflows and saves valuable time, and thereby increasing productivity, but also helps maintain high accuracy by minimizing potential for human error. There are many RPA tools in the market: Power Automate, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, and many more. Power Automate is part of Microsoft Power Platform family. As we know, 70+% of world's desktop and laptop computers running in Windows operating system, and Power Automate is inbuilt integrated with Microsoft 365 Office license, which makes it as one of the most demanding automation tools in the market. In the next videos, we will do a deep dive on Power Automate. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.